perfect.
All right, so the workout of the week. So first of all, the recipe of the week, this is one of my favorites. If anybody likes ground turkey, it's really good. But sweet potato, ground turkey, it's really easy, healthy for you. And I did put the calories on there, so I had a few people asking about calories and stuff, so that is on there as well. The workout of the week, so once again, before you start any activity, try to get a walk in or so for 5 to 10 minutes, get your heart rate up. You'll do these 2 to 3 times for a minute, okay? So it's going to be really easy. So set a timer for a minute. So the first one is going to be standing punches. So this is easy, right? So you're going to stand in place, arms up, and then you're just going to punch. Do it for a minute. Keep your core tight. If you do that, your core is going to be tight. You're going to be working those obliques. So standing punches, okay? When your timer goes off, give yourself a rest. 30 seconds or so to a minute. Then we're going to do front shoulder raise and march on each side. So you're going to do one of these for a minute. If you have weights at home, hold the weights while you're doing it. Hold some soups or cans or something to have that weight. So that'll give you more weight resistance on your shoulders.
Bowls of soup?
Yeah.
Bowls of soup? So you're going to do that for a minute. Set your timer for the minute on that. Side punches. So you're going to stand like this, and then you're just going to do side punches for a minute. You want to get a good work burn in. You want your heart rate up. So after you get done with these, you're going to really feel it, and your heart's going to be going. Okay. All right. Then you're going to go into front kicks. So I just have you kind of doing these. Gives you some balance there, stability. If you want to add in arms, you can do that. Have the weights in your hands. That'll get you a good arm workout there. All right? And then the next one, the last one's going to be uppercuts. So you're going to kind of kneel down a little bit, and then you're just going to uppercut. And if you can get a bend in there, that's going to work your legs, your arms. Keep your core tight, and do that for a minute. So do everyone for a minute each. Set your timer. Give yourself a rest in between. Then set it again and do it 2 to 3 times. All right? Then afterwards, you're going to get your stretch in. Any questions? All right.